Ready?
Good.
So boss, wait a minute.
No man, wait till the smoke I see. Wait, ready?
Good.
So boss, wait a minute.
Come on, wait.
No, make you put it in more.
No, we have to talk about big thing.
No.
Yo, I move like a Durham big.
Wait, Richie, come back. I'm not going to catch up in there.
No. Make him feed you in peace. You can't get peace more.
No.
Crave. I talk about me a joke to come short. No. You do crave.
Ready?
Come.
Come back here. Walk back, Prancer. Ready?
Good.
So boss, wait a minute. Increase me wrong.
I'm not talking about.
So close the scene with them now. Close the scene and catch Mark and I go in the house. Close the scene. How long that gone? Yeah, it's just start back again.
You not close.
You don't close the scene?
You want to close.
My calf, but Shakaberry walk gone. No, I think you should make Shakaberry walk come back for him. Come on, squad, you get some water for drink. Come on. Alright, so go walk up with Shakaberry. Come on, I have to close the scene, man. Go back, turn past the papa and choke. Make Shakaberry walk and turn back. Go close to him, make she walk. Go get a Migley Road. Go to Shak.
No, that's what she's doing.
No, me say go make him go road, they can cut from papa and make she drag. Alright, go on. You change the angle, start.
Come on, stand over it so
Wait, stop.
Alright, come on, tight. See pipe over there, so can't go a pipe, make him get some water for drink.
Come outside.
But, nah, do that for 2 minutes.
Go some man.
Yeah, look a bit of water, man. Yeah, man, drink some of my pipe water.
Sorry.
Everybody, sorry, drink some of my pipe water. And then can't go a pipe, we'll give him some water. How on? But so I don't catch somebody now. Hold on, just make him drink some. After I drink your water, just catch him walk and it's done. Well, I've come out of the background.
Come on, tie back, girl.
Ready? Nobody talk because I'm at night, so we now put on so night. Alright, walk off no papa.
You're the wicked police.
Since I'm
But yeah, we never have to chat.
Huh?
But he just get your one sitting and say he's a wicked police. And,
no
no talking.
You're the wicked police. No.
no talking.
Nice.
No chatting. Just cut to one next angle and don't catch no chatting night. Me tell Papa if you don't talk because too much noise and make we no want no sound. We're not going to use no sound.
No, come.
Yeah, drink your water and help me walk away. And walk away. Come now, Papa, walk away. Don't pan follow them and then walk out I see him. Alright, good. So my time I know if you come catch me, I walk in the house with the bread. What the camera now? What the camera now, bro, man?
No, I don't like that.
Come back. Everybody else come back and I see him. Cut your card.
I can't hear, don't you?